So I know there's like a day or two like I have no idea what I would like to film, and I just realized at like 2 o'clock like, oh, you need to like film what you're doing today so you have a video for 2 of the 12 days. So that's what we're doing, and I realized at 2 that that's what I needed to do. So we're gonna get up. I woke up at like 10ish and I laid in bed until like almost 12, and then I got up and made myself breakfast, which was a biscuit, 2 egg whites, and a piece of turkey bacon. And then I had to check my email, and I scrolled on TikTok for a while until I realized, oh, it's 2 o'clock and I like to work out before I eat lunch. So I was like, oh, I should get up. And then I remembered, oh, you need to film a video. So here we are. We're just gonna braid the hair back and take y'all through my day. It's raining, so I'm definitely not going anywhere. We will be in the house. My mom is making gumbo. It was between gumbo or chili, and I was like, gumbo? Like, chili sounds good, but like, it doesn't sound like the vibe for today. So we're definitely getting to some gumbo. So we're just gonna film what I'm doing today, even though I already started my day, and it's almost 3 actually. But it's okay. There's another I have to do this too. But hopefully I can like start at the actual beginning of my day when my alarm goes off at 9:55. Which people think it's a weird time that my alarm goes off at 9:55 and not just like 10 o'clock. But like in those 5 minutes, like things are happening. Things happen in 5 minutes for me. I can get a lot done. Like in those 5 minutes, I can do everything that I need to do and like lay back down. And it's almost like I never got up. Like, okay, we're just gonna do this for now. I had my wig on yesterday, but like when I put the wig cap on and the wig, it's too much. It's hot up here. Like, I don't know. But it'd be too much when I'm trying to sleep. It felt like my head was just being like this the whole night. So we can work out before I eat lunch, because I feel like I'm hungry.
Overnight, out of sight, you magnified. You're only human, yes I know. It's okay to be unsure. I hope you know it's okay if you're not sure. See my days are cold without you.
All I'm gonna say is this workout, I was sweating. I didn't show y'all any of like the hard stuff, the stuff that actually made me sweat. And okay, chest was pumping. Okay, but we are done in 44 minutes. All right, and we're still watching Peyton Marie Charles. She's my favorite YouTuber currently. Love that. Yes, but I think I'm gonna fix my bed, take a shower, talk to the family, and we shall continue today. But that was a good workout. It was sweat. I was hot before I even started, but it's...
Yeah, I'm mentally exhausted and my neck is killing me. So, like, I
before I head in the shower, I'm going to try on my jeans because yesterday I was leaving and my jeans were just really baggy and they couldn't fit, and I get it. I lost some weight. But jeans stick beside me. The leggings stick beside me. The jeans just stick beside me too. Like, I don't know. Like, I'm tired. I don't want to buy new clothes. You know? Now, those last two pairs that I tried on yesterday, when I tell you, they was fitting hefty. I was in a freaking plastic bag. The jeans were not fitting right. I was like, what's going on? I was 1 pound lighter and the jeans was feeling real big. Today, we tried them on for the video and everything is just fitting so good. Don't piss me off. But what I'm gonna do is put those last two in the bag of the closet. We're gonna come back to this in a few months and we're gonna see. Cause don't piss me off. But I'm gonna take a shower. I'm kind of upset about the jeans. Cause I was like, what's happening? I was rushing out of the house and I was like, I can't fit any of my jeans. I can fit them. My body was just going through something yesterday apparently. And it got in my head. So I was like, let me try them all on. And all is well. Cause I was kind of upset cause like, some of them are my favorite jeans. Granted, I haven't worn jeans in a couple of years, but still. Now I'm hot and I'm bald and I can fit the jeans. So we're gonna be grateful. Don't play with it, don't be dishonest. Okay, I just got out of the shower. And before I took a shower, I played a few rounds of Uno Flip because my niece asked me to play last night, but she asked me to play at like 12 o'clock at night. Girl, I'm going to bed. I'll play with you tomorrow. So I went ahead and played a few rounds and then hopped in the shower. And I forgot my facial cleanser for me to wash my face in the shower. So I had to get out of the shower, get the cleanser, wash my face. And now we're gonna finish the 3-step skincare because I tried the toner from this brand, but it just ended up breaking me out and making my skin like burn. So I was like, we're gonna retire the toner and just stick to the 3 steps. And I got like eye patches, but we're just gonna stick to the 3 because my skin is very sensitive and I keep trying stuff, but this is the only thing that seems to actually work. And toners just don't sit well with my skin. It's super sensitive. It burns all the time. I have to put extra moisturizer on my nose because that's like the driest part of my face, even like inside of my nose. Yeah, I gotta just take the rest and go everywhere else and behind my ears. So yeah, we are waiting for the gumbo, but I'm hungry, so I'm gonna eat something before I eat gumbo. But it's only like 5, so I have time so I can eat dinner too. So yeah. So while we wait for the gumbo to finish, we're gonna eat this. It's one of those little smart choice meals, smart healthy choice meals. I'm gonna eat this and wait for the gumbo. I am currently editing this video and I want to put like words at the bottom, but iMovie isn't cute and I'm not paying for Final Cut Pro. So I'm just making like a green screen for what I would like to put at the bottom of the video. And I'll like save it to my phone, and then I just like to do it on my laptop and then save it to my phone because I don't have storage on my iPad for me to edit on this bad boy. So, and I don't edit on here because it'll like ruin the processor for me to edit on iMovie on my laptop. But I do have storage on my phone. So yeah. All right. While I wait for the gumbo to be done, I actually think it's done, but I'm waiting to eat. I am going to work on my description bar. So I'm gonna do that, and I think I might make like an outro while I'm waiting, because the food will be, the gumbo will be like the last thing of today's video. So I just copy this and like edit it and put like other things in and like edit what I'm gonna say like right here, because obviously it will be day 7. Maybe I'll put it in my notes so I can just copy it from my notes. This is the list for my 12 days of Christmas. We're just gonna create a new note and do that and just adjust it for day 7. I might like change it, but that's what's gonna happen right now.